Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you come across this video and the country you reside. My name is Faustina I'm an actor and a producer. A few weeks ago, I lost a sister and a friend. It still feels like a dream to me. I don't want to come out yet to talk about her, but I have to because of this particular topic I want to talk about now. My sister, my late sister, may her soul rest. She left 2 kids behind, 2 beautiful daughters, Mimi, Michelle, and Osarese. I'm here to plead with the public. I'm here to plead with our fans, family, well-wishers, and mutual friends that we created a GoFundMe for Sharon Okpame's children, for the children of Sharon Okpame. I'm here to plead with you all. I'm here to beg with you all to support Sharon's children, no matter how small it is. It will go a long way because my sister had a very beautiful dream planned out for her kids, but so fortunate that she's not here to fulfill those dreams that she had for her children. Because we are friends and we know the way she loves her kids, we know the way she talked about them, the kind of life she wants to give to her children. Even though she has passed, we are here to make sure that all the dreams that she had for her children come to pass. To be able to accomplish this, I can't do it on my own. And I guess the family cannot do it on their own too. So we need you. We need the public, the general public, to assist us in raising those children, give them a better future. So a GoFundMe account was created. Trust me. Trust me, you don't have anything to worry about. At the end of the day, the money is going to be used for what it's meant for, because I'm not known for I don't know how to put it, but I know that you guys know what I'm trying to say, because I have to breathe on my mouth. I'm here to plead with the public to please, anywhere you see the link, no matter how small you have, €5, €10, $5, $10, $2, $1, we don't mind. Support this movement. Support this goal for Sharon Okpame's children. I'm sorry where I am is a bit noisy. I'm not in my house. I clearly cannot stay home alone. So I'm sorry, you guys will be hearing noises in the background. Please, my friends, my fans, the fans of Sharon Okpame, our mutual friends, sorry. If you know you have ever loved Sharon like the way you all are saying on the internet, I want to say thank you. We see your love. We see it. It's undiluted. It's pure. Thank you for those that genuinely love my friend. Thank you for those that pray during the time that we are praying. Thank you for those that is mourning her. We do appreciate you. We don't take you for granted. All we need is to give my friend, my sister, a befitting burial, and to give our children a life that they deserve, a good life that their mother would have given to them. God bless you all as you support We have a Nigeria account and we have a GoFundMe account. Whichever one you want to put your money into, nobody's questioning you or telling you where to. If you feel that the GoFundMe account is better, please do. If you feel the Nigeria account is better, please do. Both accounts will be dropped beneath this video. Please send in your donation. Nothing is too small. I'm really out of words. I don't know what to say at this point. Clearly, I'm not in my best state of mind. I just decided to do this video because I've been doing some findings and I have my clarification this morning, and yes, I'm set to do it. That's why I'm doing it now. For those of you that have been calling me to check up on me, may God bless you. For all our fans all over the world, the fans of Sharon Okpame, may God bless you. We see you. We see all you're doing. We see how you cared for her. We see how you prayed for her. We see how you mourn with us. We really do appreciate you, and may heaven bless you. Thank you so much. Until I come your way again, I remain Faustina Peters is there as well. Please, the goal is to support Sharon Okpame's children. Please, we need your help. We need your help for a better future for Rosawese and Michelle. I love you all.
Hello, good morning, everyone. A lot of things have been going on, like a lot has happened for the past weeks. But the one of yesterday, I never thought me of all people would even do something like that. Like, I'm here to apologize over yesterday, my actions yesterday, over what I did yesterday. I'm here to say I'm sorry. I'm here to apologize. Mommy Egui. Yeah, woman expect him now he will bomb women or how I see with baby. Even me myself, like, I regretted my actions and I hated myself for it. So mommy la, I'm here to beg you and your man. No allow no why bomb la. I'm asked to do a public video and I'm doing it not because I'm asked to, but because I feel it's right. Well, sit here, but no one go. Who apologize? And we mommy la wo. Ti o ti e mo wo ene o yo bo mo mu ene. Egui la wo. E sha no ma mu eri ama me boragbon. O ma condemn mi we ma me boragbon. E ma ere mi o de wa wo eri agui. So no la wo. Anything really you or no de. But we call la wo. And I still beg whoever the thing offend we see am as we see am offensive. I beg. Me could not forgive me, me could not beg. I know me harm, I know me bad. Anything I do yesterday, I don't get right.